Diane in Denmark here, rah rah rah, checking with you to show my items for our daily declutter challenge. I'm checking with you every day of February. We're just looking for one item, at least one item daily. We're getting into the habit of decluttering. And I hope you're taking some time to rest and recharge your batteries today. It is Sunday. And here are my items, starting with some necklaces. And I've realised that I'm not too keen on coloured jewellery. I prefer pearls and gold. The coloured stuff not so much, so I'm going to be letting go of these things. Woo! And those are going in the bag for our next clothes swap party. But I should actually not call it clothes swap because we swap children's toys, books, kitchen gadgets. We'll swap anything. Also a toilet bag and a few random things from my office. I was sitting in my office yesterday and I went through the drawers there. A measuring tape. I don't need this measuring tape. I've got one in my sewing box, so that can go. Also a random computer thing, that's going into electric recycling. And what about pens? Have you got pens that are dried out? Have you got too many whiteboard markers? Take a wee look at that. And one other random thing, when I was out with my friend Erica from America, she's also decluttering daily at the moment, and she was talking about a torch that she had that needed special batteries. And I said to her, oh, I think I've got some of those because we needed them for I think it was some special kids toy. Anyway, I looked in my batteries and lo and behold, I've got some of them. So we messaged yesterday and I'm passing them on to her because we don't have the item anymore and I don't need these batteries. So over to you. What can you find today? Remember, just look for one thing. We're just looking for one thing. Doesn't need to be from this area. Last week I was working on the kitchen, Flylady Zone 2, and this week we are moving into Flylady Zone 3, which is the bathroom plus one other room, your office, the garden shed, kids' playroom. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. You know the routine by now. And keep going with those daily routines. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you. And I'll see you tomorrow with a wrap. Okay, bye for now.